Hi, my name's Greg Neal, and thank you for considering working with Gregory Neal Associates. Many business owners have asked me, what's the difference between what I offer and the other consulting firms? Well, I'd just have a conversation with you for the next few minutes and distinguish a few things. One idea I work with is that where the power is in your business is in impacting the performance of your employees. This is an answer to the often stress and frustrations I see with business owners. So, how I deal with this, what I do, my approach is to begin to recognize that where the leverage is in impacting your business culture. It's the business culture that's um, shaping the employees' behaviors, attitudes, and productivity. What makes up the business culture? The disciplines, systems, procedures, and practices that you employ therein inside your business. So, what I do, so to speak, is I change the rules of the game. Employees will play any game that you choose to play. So, why don't we set up a game that's going to win? That's going to provide a win-win for both you and them. That's going to give them what they need and want, and you what you need and want. Well, in all the national surveys that go back years and years over millions of employees, what Harvard Business Review and the Covey organization have discovered is that what employees really want is, surprisingly, counterintuitively, they want to be more responsible. They want more accountability. They want to feel like they're making a difference. They want to be a part of something like a community. So let's give it to them. That's what I do. That's what I offer. So, how do I do it? I have a step-by-step methodology that builds accountability and leadership at each level of the business. Accountability, first thing about that is it's a personal choice. You can't assign accountability and expect that to impact somebody's performance. So I invite people into a conversation. This can be done with groups and teams, project managers, estimators, senior managers. I invite them into a conversation to distinguish what exactly is each of their accountabilities. Okay, so that's a conversation that usually clears up some confusion, but it's a fun conversation. It doesn't take a lot of time, can happen in a matter of hours. Then we unpack those accountabilities with key performance measures or goals, benchmarks, drivers, whatever you want to call that, so that this adds focus to each of those accountabilities. Now, you can't have accountability without reporting. Accountability essentially is reporting, and that's a important, powerful element of accountability is that it allows the individual to give voice to something. It's what people give voice to that actually empowers them. So we need a meeting structure so they can give voice to not just everything they did all week, but just the results, which is the goals. Did they accomplish them or not? So we build a meeting structure. And into this meeting structure, we have the ability for them to speak up for what they did or didn't do. Several things happen here. You begin to really empower a meeting structure that delivers a large amount of information in a short period of time. I call that transparency, the ability to see into the business, and so that you are delivering a lot of information quickly, so that the participants therein in that meeting can make informed decisions, intelligent decisions, and solve problems. That's what you want. You want the people who are on the front lines, the people whose job it is to execute, to be able to have the information they need that empowers them to make the right decisions. Amazing thing is when you design this, when you set this up, when you offer this to these employees, they take it. They actually love it. If you have the right employees, they run with it. They experience it as support. They experience it as empowerment. It gives them the tools they need to get their job done. Now, a few other things happen in this meeting environment is you start to build team. Mutual accountability shows up, which is a significant milestone of health in the business. And then you have the opportunity in this environment to add coaching. Coaching that there are coaching I call coaching accelerators, ideas and practices that further accelerate each individual's performance and team's performance. So the bottom line is what you end up with is powerful teams, productive teams, and where you have productivity, you have profits. So this is an idea. This is a short synopsis of what I offer. I hope this has been useful, and I look forward to speaking with you. Should you have any questions, please give us a call and explore how this work can impact your business. Thank you.